All right, everybody, welcome to another edition of Bitcoin Billionaire, where we show you how to make money on crypto. So make sure to like the video if you like the content and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So let's go for tons of likes today. All right, so what we're looking at right now is a tool called mmcrypto on the 4-hour, and you can see that so far we're holding at the bottom part of the ribbon. But, we need to really watch this level to see what's going on, because so far this has been a good level of support about right here. And so we can see that Bitcoin is actually holding, and that's a good thing, right? Because if we can get a bounce there, then we can go back and to that 45. If you know 45, we got rejected a couple of times here. I think we can break through it. We just need to find that support at 42. Now, there's a few other tools I want to share with you why I think we might be bullish, but let's just use simple technical analysis that, if we look at it, right, we are actually getting a higher high, right? So this is a high and that's a higher high. And of course, we're getting higher lows, right? So higher lows. So we're getting higher lows, we're getting higher highs. That's all very bullish sign, of course, but there are other tools we can use to see. And of course, one of those is the daily time frame with the EMA ribbon. And what we can see is that if we zoom in a little bit, is that we spent most of the time under the ribbon on the way down. You can see, right? All the way down. And then we broke through. We broke through, and then now we're bouncing off that ribbon. And we need that bounce, and we need that break of 45 to change the momentum. So it does look like it's a change of momentum. Potentially we could be changing the direction of the trend. Of course, all of that depends on what's going to happen in the markets. So futures will open today, tonight, Sunday. So we'll be able to see what's going to happen, right? Are we going to break through on the upside or not? That will definitely affect the price of Bitcoin as we keep watching what's happening in the traditional markets. So the other one that I want to look at is Williams Alligator, which you can see that when we went to the downtrend, the green one crossed downwards and becomes under, right, throughout the entire downtrend. So this is an important tool to watch because it kind of lets you know the trend change. Now you can see now that the green line on the Williams Alligator is now up, and we're actually getting a bounce as well. We're getting a bounce on it. That's what it looks like right now. Of course, nothing is absolute with Bitcoin. We know that, but this is a strong indicator. And the reason I say that is last time this happened, when we went up, right, we had a rally up all the way up. So this is a positive sign for sure. Every time this happens and we get a cross, it's definitely a positive sign. When it goes under, it's a negative sign, right? So all it indicates is that we have a change in the trend. So it is very possible that we get a rally up, which is why I started making recommendation. And by the way, before I show you more of why I think we might rally, let me just share with you about a very special offer in this program. For those of you who invest in MetaGold rewards, you now know that we have this new dashboard. And on this new dashboard, we have different tier programs. And one of the tiers that we offer is this tier here, tier number 2. And we give you access to millionaire crypto coaching. And tonight, I actually made a recommendation of an altcoin that you can make 500%. And you can actually get 62% staking, which is really good. One of the best investment you can make. And it's only available for people who invest $1,000 in MetaGold. So if you ever wanted to get access to millionaire crypto coaching, now's your chance to join and buy some MetaGold in order to qualify. And all you got to do is purchase. The service is free. All you got to do is get $1,000 in like MetaGold. So go to the description and visit MetaGold and go and swap on PancakeSwap and go ahead and buy some. Very easy to buy. Just watch the instructions below. All right, so let's get back to our Bitcoin. Now, just in case that Bitcoin was going to rally down, I want to make it clear that I have buy signals at 40,000, 38,000, and all the way down to 33, and even down to 30,000. Okay, these are all my buy signals as Bitcoin goes down. And absolutely, if it ever goes all the way down to the level 4, I will go all in at that point. That's why I want to stay cash positive. There is a bit of uncertainty right now, although I will tell you that there's some really, really cheap altcoins available, which is why I'm recommending it to my VIP clients in Tier 2. So make sure to check that out in the description under MetaGold website. Yeah, make sure to do that. So, but anyway, this is a nobody knows. There's so much uncertainty right now. So when that happens, and you don't know if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down, then you need a plan A. You need to be invested in case it goes up, and you need a plan B in case it goes down, which is exactly how I'm trading right now when there's so much uncertainty. Otherwise, if you stay on the sideline, you're not going to make any money. So there's no risk when you're just buying and holding, because over the long term, I guarantee you that Bitcoin will be on an upwards rally. Now, it may take until the end of the month. We may go sideways for a while. We may go and like revisit back down. That's why I want to be ready for all scenarios. So, but it doesn't mean there's no deals. And you know, how do you invest right now? I don't think I would be buying Bitcoin right now at this price. So that's why I bought some different altcoins, okay? And my strategy is that, yeah, okay, I see that there's definitely an opportunity for Bitcoin to go up because of the Williams alligator, you know, the EMA like ribbon. Everything is positive, right? Like we got a higher high. Everything is positive. So there's definitely an opportunity to make money. And so I would definitely recommend you invest with the higher highs and everything going on. For sure, we are very bullish right now. And nobody can ignore what the signs are. You should not ignore them. So that's why I'm starting to invest. And so I started putting a certain percentage of my portfolio into buying and holding assets. Now, I prefer to buy and hold assets that I can also do staking with. And yeah, so that's how I'm playing the game. So if it goes down, I make money. If it goes up, I make like money. And since I'm not going to be all in unless it goes all the way down, I've chosen altcoins that can pump me and make as much money if I put in Bitcoin, because where we want to get is right here, right? That's the ultimate sell like level, all right, 69,000. I wouldn't sell everything there either, but that's where we want to get at. But of course, we would probably get some resistance here before we break through. It may take some time. I'm just letting you know that, you know, you could put, if you wanted to, you could put this as a sell level 2. And that might be smart, and sell some as we go up. So, and that could be sell level 1. So this is kind of, and by the way, the reason I'm saying sell level 1, sell level 2 is because you start to sell some at major resistance, right? So you're not like selling at all, but you're being cash positive. So when it goes down, you can buy again, right? I'm cash positive right now. In case it goes down, I can buy again. Does that make sense? So this is one of the strategies. But right now, I don't feel comfortable buying Bitcoin at this price. But I feel comfortable buying some altcoins, which I recommend in my VIP membership under MetaGold. Okay, all right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Hope you liked this video. So please put a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, let's go for the most highest thumbs up today. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.